Hi everyone. So today we are going to start a new topic, that is adjectives and pronouns. We have already discussed in our previous chapters, and today we are going to discuss about adjectives. So the adjectives are words that describe nouns or pronouns. So adjectives are words that are used to describe nouns or pronouns. Nouns. Nouns are the naming words. A noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. And what is a pronoun? A pronoun is a word which is used in place of a noun. And the words which are used to describe nouns or pronouns are referred to as adjectives. For example, the big bag. The big bag. Bag here is a noun. But what kind of bag it is? It is a big bag. So big is a word which is describing about what kind of bag is there. So big is here is a adjective. Adjectives, they tell us about kind, color or number of a noun or pronoun. Adjectives tell us about kind of a noun or a pronoun. Kind. Big bag. Big. Now big here is a adjective because the word big, it describes the what kind of bag is there. Angry boy. What kind of boy is there? Angry. So angry here is a adjective. Hot coffee. Hot coffee. What kind of coffee? Hot coffee. So hot here is an adjective. And a young lady. Young. Young is a word which describes what kind of lady is there? Young. So young is a adjective. So these are the examples of adjectives which tells us about the kind of a noun or a pronoun. And adjectives also tell us about the color of a noun or pronoun. Color. For example, red box. What is the color of the box? Red. So red here is a adjective. Yellow corn. Yellow. Green dress. Green. Blue sky. Blue. So all these red, yellow, green and blue describes about these things. So all these are adjectives which describes the color. And adjectives also tell us about the number of a noun or pronoun. About the number of a noun or a pronoun. For example, 3 books. How many books? 3 books. So 3 here is an adjective. 1 pen. How many pens? Only 1 pen. So 1 is an adjective. Many dogs. Many dogs. How many dogs? Many dogs. So many is also a adjective. Some fruits. Some fruits. Some is also an adjective which just tells us about the number of a noun or a pronoun. So the adjectives are the words which are used to describe noun or a pronoun. And it tells us about the kind of a noun, color of a noun or number of a noun or a pronoun. So adjectives, it may come before the noun or it may also comes after the noun. See here, the big bag. Bag is a noun and the adjective, it comes before the noun. Big is an adjective. The bag is big. Here the adjective comes after the noun. So the adjectives, it may come before or it may come after the nouns. Other example is the green vegetables. Green here is an adjective because it describes the color of the vegetables. Second sentence, the vegetables are green. Here the adjective, it comes after the noun. So adjectives, it may come before or it may come after the noun or a pronoun. So there are different kinds of adjectives. The first one is adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality, it tells us about the kind or a quality of a noun or a pronoun. Adjectives of quality, it tells us about the kind or a quality of a noun or a pronoun. For example, he is an honest man. What kind of man is there? Honest. So honest is an adjective of quality. The tall boy sings well. Tall. What kind of boy? Tall. So tall is also an adjective of quality. He is a clever boy. What kind of boy? Clever. So clever is an adjective of quality. Second one is adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity. Adjectives of quantity, it tells us amount. It tells us amount of a noun or how much of a noun is there. It tells us about how much. I ate some rice. How much rice you ate? Some rice. So some is an adjective of quantity. How much quantity is there? Some. Take great care of your health. Take great care of your health. So great is also a word which describes the adjectives of quantity. How much care is being taken care here. So great is an adjective of quantity and care here is a noun. Which kind of noun? Abstract noun. So the word great, it describes the word care here. So great is the adjective of quantity. One more thing, in case of adjective of quantity, it is only used for uncountable nouns. Adjectives of quantity, it is only used for uncountable nouns, which we are not able to count. Are you able to count rice? How much rice you eat? No. So this is uncountable. Care is uncountable. So both the words are used here for uncountable nouns. Other words that we use for adjectives of quantity: little. I drank little water. Few. Much. Enough. All. Full. Sufficient. All these are the words which we use for the adjectives of quantity. Now the third one is adjectives of number. Adjectives of number. These also tells us about the amount of a noun. But here, how many? Here in case of adjectives of quantity, it is how much of a noun is there. Now here, how many means these are used for countable nouns. In this case, we are using these words for countable nouns which we are able to count. Example, there are some students in the class. Are you able to count the students? How many students are there in the class? Yes, we are able to count that students. So some. Here is an adjective of number which we are able to count. So that's why we are using here how many. There are few ice cubes in the tray. How many ice cubes are there? Few. It may be 3 ice cubes or it may be 4 ice cubes. So we are able to count that ice cubes. So here few and some are the adjectives of numbers which we are able to count. Next one is demonstrative adjectives. Demonstrative adjectives, it tells us about the specific person, place, animal or thing. About the specific person. These are the words which are used to demonstrate demonstrative adjectives. This pen is mine. This pen. Pen is a noun, and this here is a demonstrative adjective. That book is yours. That book. Book is a noun, and that here is a demonstrative adjective. Okay. The next one is interrogative adjectives. Interrogative, as the name indicates, interrogative. So interrogative adjectives, they are used to ask questions, but they usually comes before the noun because it describes the noun or a pronoun. So it will come before noun or a pronoun. For example, which animal do you like? Here animal is a noun and the word which is a interrogative adjectives. Okay. Whose book is this? Whose book is this? Whose word is used to ask question, and it comes before the noun and it describes the noun. Whose book? So here whose is an interrogative adjective. Next one is what food do you prefer? What food? So here what is also an interrogative adjective. So all the words which are used to frame questions, when they come before a noun or a pronoun, or when they are describing a noun or a pronoun, they are referred to as interrogative adjectives. Next one is possessive adjectives. Possessive means an ownership or a possessiveness about our belongings. So possessive adjectives are words such as are, my, your, his, her, its, theirs, etc. that indicate the possession of things. So these are the words which are used to show the possessiveness about things. For example, my bag is full of toys. My bag. Bag is a noun and the word my here is a possessive adjective which describes the noun. This must be your cup. This must be your cup. So your here is a possessive adjective. Possessive adjectives are the words which shows possessiveness or belongings. We can make adjectives from nouns by adding suffix. How we can make adjectives? We can make adjectives from nouns, but suffix. So what is this suffix? A suffix is a letter or a group of letters. It may be a one letter or it may be a group of letters which we add at the end of the word. Which we add at the end of the word to make a new word. So suffix is a letter or a group of letters which we use at the end of a word to make a new word. For example, these are the suffix al, ary, ful, ible, less, ly. These are the suffix and these are the nouns and these are the adjectives. Now the first suffix is al and the noun here is accident. And how to form adjective? We can form it by adding al to the noun. So here accident and we will add al. It will become accidental. So accidental here is an adjective and accident is a noun. Second noun is region. Here we are also adding al. Region, regional, al, regional. Now regional and accidental both are adjectives. Second suffix is ary and the noun is complement. Now we will add ARY to the word complement to change it into adjective complimentary. ARY, complimentary. Second one is honor. We will add ARY and it will change into honorary. Next one is FUL and the noun is beauty. So the beauty will change into beautiful. But we will just remove Y and we will add here I. Beautiful. FUL, full. Fear, fearful. Fearful. Here I am adding the suffix FUL, full. Next suffix is IBLE and the noun is force. Force, forcible. FORCI. Here the suffix is IBLE. IBLE, forcible. Permission, permissible. Next is LESS. Suffix is LESS and the noun is power. So we will add less to power. It will become powerless. Use, useless. Next suffix is LY. Friend. Friend is a noun. Friend. LY is a suffix, so it will change into friendly. Day, daily. LY. But in place of Y, we will write I and then we will add suffix ly. In this way, we can change nouns into adjectives by adding suffix. So, suffix is a letter or a group of letters that we add at the end of the word to make a new word. Okay. Other suffixes are OUS and a Y. Here you can see there is only one letter. ABLE, AL, ISH, LY, IC, ICAL and so many other suffixes are there. Into adjective suffix. Okay. Thank you.